date night you've been planning for us, Reed?
No. But when you think about it, what could be more romantic than saving the universe side by side?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Query. If the Montesi formula eliminates vampires, why are our allies reluctant to use it?
I wanted this, and it's time to an extra.
There they are.
An army of artificial arachnids. Good riddance.
Oh, I'm fine, don't mind me.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Powering up.
I suck. Query. Robots chose to rise up against their creators. Whose side would you stand on, Tony Stark?
That depends entirely on whether or not I create
Almost
anything.
there. Don't turn back now.
We're fighting our brood.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
You need to teach me that skill.
We've been discovered.
I put the Ankh on ice.
Support. Here is an enemy to pursue.
Sorry. No escaping us now.
This is gonna be nice.
The moon haunts you!
Halfway there. Keep
Iron Man
going.
operational again.
Go back, no face.
Another hit for Luna Snow.
This Ankh is radiating.
It's spider time!
Bringing my get in there.
Bring on the chaos.
Hit the ground for them. I like the cold.
Come, Earth.
I unleash the Vishanti's power!
Perfect hit! Yeah! It's one of Moon Knight's Ankhs. Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Powering up.
Us against the world. I like the cold. I'm hurt.
I've neutralized.
Shall we, my mechanical friend?
Oh, I'm fine, don't mind me.
Problem solved.
Our foes draw near.
Center stage.
The moon haunts you!
I like the cold. The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Strange. Press C, because we can't kill you when... Yeah.
Still would you? I have not seen so many spiders.
It's spider time! Hit the ground for I'm hurt.
Feeling Medics around?
Our enemies are near.
It's the grand finale.
Maximum! Your powers are mine!
Against the world.
Fantastic!
Everybody ready? Powering up.
Get that vehicle moving again. I like the cold. It's spider time!
Behind me, the spider nest. All clear?
I
I don't think that's happening. There's another one down. Get in there. Powering up.
Turn around. So close. This is your big chance. I suck.
Render me assistance.
Time for some fire.
These mechanical arachnids are no more.
Only 60 seconds left. Double KO.
That's what happens when you pick a fight with protons.
Timely intervention.
I'm gonna find whoever put me out last time.
Us against the world.
Bring on the chaos.
It's the grand
Hurry up.
finale. Down to 30 seconds.
That ring
I
got
found one
problems.
of our critics.
That's better.
Finish. Time.
Feeling that. I unleash the Vishanti.
We need to get Herbie to Avengers Tower
Iron
at
Man
once.
operational again.
The final 10 seconds.
Hurry up.
The current score is 2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
Round 2.
Guess we better save the world again. Or is it worlds this time?
Be strong together. They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Trickster, where will you make your mischief when the world disintegrates?
Oh, this is hardly the only world.
It is my only world, and I will fight for it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look who's here.
Oh, somebody tell me this isn't some kid's birthday party again.
A nice deep freeze. Need some help.
Render me assistance.
We're finding our groove.
Hurry up. One step closer to saving the world.
I suck. You need me.
I still want you.
I don't think that's the welcoming committee. That put a spring in my step.
I'm Hulk.
Chaos.
A nice deep freeze. Us against the world. To me. It's the grand finale.
Powering up.
A nice deep freeze. That one hurts.
Your god is suffering. I unleash the Vishanti's power.
Pure! Us against the world! The grand finale!
Everybody ready?
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Better stop that vehicle!
I'm back. Powering up. That put a spring in my step.
You boys and your toys.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Look who's here.
Us against the world! I'm hurt. A nice deep freeze.
I'm Hulk.
The grand finale.
Powering up. That put a spring in my step.
Over here. I can heal you. Need some help.
Judge, jury, executioner.
I disappeared. I suck.
I still want you.
Good time for a tactical retreat.
I'm Hulk.
Your powers are mine!
Us.
I'm back.
We lack strength for this encounter.
Powering up.
Better stop that vehicle. I like the cold. They made it halfway. Stop them. That one hurt.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Grand finale.
Powering up.
I'm Hulk.
Our enemies are near. Surely, step good.
I'm gonna find whoever put me out last time.
I still want you.
Powering up.
Bring on the chaos!
Double KO. Only 60 seconds
That put a
left.
spring in my step. operational again.
Their forces outnumber
Your
us.
powers are mine!
Keep fighting until we have a winner. A nice deep freeze. Be your best self. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
New boys, new toys.
Fantastic!
A nice deep freeze. Need some help.
Powering up.
Fire remote from them.
Maximum pulse! Pulse
Only
cannon
60
close
seconds
away.
left.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Wizard is down.
A nice deep freeze. Down to 30 seconds.
Powering up.
Double KO.
Pulse away.
The final 10 seconds. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a
Iron Man
winner.
operational again.
Us against the world.
Powering up.
I suck. Need some help. It's now or never. Stop
Pulse
them.
away.
Gotta stop that vehicle.
Maximum pulse!
Don't give them another inch. Or else. I suck. I am ready to put on a show. I was worried. Thanks so much.
Everybody ready? Anyone say fire?
By the eye of Agamotto!
Get him.
I like the cold.
GG.
Final score 3-2-2.